Things are going to be tougher than anything you can imagine. But that storm that you're in, from your perspective, it seems like that storm is enveloping the whole world. But I'm telling you, it is not. The storm that you're in, it is hard to see out of that storm. It's hard to see past it. It seems like the storm is everything. But the storm is not everything. And it won't last forever. You can get out of the storm, and you will get out of the storm. And when you get out, you're gonna see the sun again. But right now, you're being tried. You're being forged. You're being tested by fire and by pain. That's the test. Don't fail the test. Don't fail the test. Don't give in. Don't quit. Don't ever quit. Fight on. Fight through the storm. Fight through the pain and come out the other side stronger and tougher and better. A fighter. A survivor. A winner. Victorious. And free from that storm. Free from the darkness. Free. Life can be hard. But you know what? It's the one life you've got. So go and live a life that in the end allows you to look back and say, hell yes, I'd do it all again.
Category 4 storm made landfall just southwest of New Orleans.
You're seeing Grand Isle, Louisiana. That is just for starters. This all happening 16 years to the day that Hurricane Katrina made landfall.
Hurricane Ida has intensified over the warm waters off the Gulf of Mexico as it heads for the U.S. coast.
We are getting a frightening look at this image of Hurricane Ida.
U.S. weather forecasters have warned that the storm approaching Louisiana could be more powerful than Hurricane Katrina.
This morning, hurricane hunters flew their plane into the eye of the storm and caught this stunning picture of Ida building up strength. The Category 4 hurricane made landfall midday near Port Fourchon. 40 people decided to ride out the storm in Grand Isle, defying a mandatory evacuation order. Officials have received multiple calls for rescue.
This is Ida as seen from space. It's a monster.
Well, it is just a few kilometers in terms of top sustained winds of being a Category 5 hurricane, the most powerful on the system used to rate hurricanes. It is blowing ashore now, and it is leveling community after community with that surge and with those unbelievable winds.
Oh, that proof is coming.
All right, everybody, that is just incredible video out of Houma, Louisiana. This area.
They say it is the strongest storm to loom over Louisiana in 170 years. And even before Hurricane Ida arrived, you could feel its awesome power. Streets flooded as high tides came with rising waves and the threat of a storm surge, raising the water level maybe 15 feet. Hurricane Ida has been intensifying across the Gulf of Mexico with winds up to 150 miles per hour, a Category 4 hurricane just one level below the highest.